Mercedes-Benz.
Hi, Apple.
Hi guys.
Hi, Apple.
Hi, Apple 15. Kulit
Wow, ang ganda naman ni Sel.
Kita mo ang ano ko.
Kita mo yung concealer na pula. Down Manila.
Magkita na sa namin. Magkita na sa namin.
Hi. Hi, Mads. Hi. Pasado guys sa immigration guys si
Ilan magagastos mo sa Taiwan? TikTok 5,000. Ilan magagastos mo sa Taiwan?
10k 5,000 NT.
Ilan magagastos mo sa Taiwan?
10.
Ilan magagastos mo sa Taiwan?
10K.
Ilan magagastos mo sa Taiwan?
10k.
Go na.
Francis,
ilang
magagastos mo sa Taiwan?
50K. Ilan magagastos mo sa Taiwan?
Ang dala ko ay 15K.
Yung magagastos?
15K. Wow.
Free ng pal. Driving. Endorser ng driving. Yeah. Pastor daw dyan. Princess Francis Papa. Yes. Hi guys, so we are just landed here at Taiwan Terminal 1. Huwag ka naman sa magbaklay. Tada. Nay. Nay. Taiwaner. Princess MB. Hey. Guys. Wow. Paldo. Sana all. First payout sa Taiwan. Mercedes-Benz. Thank you. Pasok na guys sa Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz. Papa Benz. Where are we?
Saan sa Mercedes-Benz? Ako, naka.
Hi. Wow! Patingin nga. Hi. Arag man sa Pinas pa lang.
Pero automatic po.
Amo ano eh. Automatic nagbukas ang door. Garo. Uy, uy.
Si Francis. Masyado mo na. Uy, Taiwanese. Are you a Taiwanese?
Daan na ba? Taiwanar. Maleta pala guys. Wow. Wawawi. Dito kami mag-stay guys. Si Manang landlord. Si Francis.
Okay.
Okay daw.
Maybe.
Babay Sai. Kasya ba?
Sa next na buwan,
More daw. And okay, second batch. Good luck. Aray ko, naiwan.
Ako pa lang mo ba? Ayoko mapulot.
Amuhan eh. Ganaw ko pa mag-agi-agi, no?
I wanna go there. Wala na kasi akong work.
Ayun.
Pinapasok ko na kanina.
Kasada yung elevator, no?
Uy, katakot na.
Wala.
Tapos na tama, sarado naman ang kan. Open. Magbilang kita yung number 80.
Number 80?
80. So we try to go to come there. Okay?
Okay. Basura daw dun. Yeah. Tanggal sapatos guys.
Hi guys. I thought you said you wanted Francis.
Sorry, I just last go Howard Zhonghouse, now fine. Zhonghouse and Howard 11223344. Try.
Try.
And then you want the washing machine? Okay, easy. Just 1, 2.
How
Auto.
about soap?
Huh?
Soap.
We will buy.
We will buy soap.
Buy soap.
Soap or
Nagpalit.
detergent.
Oh,
And the hot spoon.
Okay, okay.
I thought that was a sugar.
Just 1, 2. This don't touch.
Okay.
Don't touch.
Before having the one people waterproof, yeah. And sorry, this toilet and please toilet paper don't push toilet, push the drop box. Okay, you want change the drop box then yes. Okay,
Trash bags.
Yeah. don't forget. But some people it's waterproof. Okay, and have the shower. Okay, the building they have the time 9 If the open time, close time is the 12. You can have the noodle, dumpling, and the rice. You can choose. But
Rice.
all the rice soup no good. Just the dry noodle is good. Okay, you can choose.
Di daw
noodle has
masarap
the
yung
same type.
rice.
You can choose. Okay. Okay. Oh, Zhonghouse. Zhonghouse.
Anay, di daw masarap sa rice.
Yes.
Hmm.
The 1, 1, 2,
Did.
3, 4, 4. 2, 2.
Patay.
Okay. You
We don't
buy the
smoke.
ice or tea, beer? No. No.
No.
But not everybody is like Korea shochu.
Soju.
Shochu is good. But 7 and 7 must have still. You can choose, okay? And 7 cup, okay?
Init.
And I have any question? No.
No.
Okay, if any question, you can find message. Okay, the room is okay. You can choose the four bed. Okay, this is the sofa bed. This one
Ah, so
people.
pabid siya.
The other you can choose either. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Have the light. Okay. Now 26. More down. I order 22. The price is more down. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Enjoy. Welcome to Taiwan. Okay. Have the
Thank you.
holiday. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
And
Yes.
because I have the other people living there. Okay. Just be quiet. I know everybody's so hard, so okay, but yes, please, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
6,000. 12K pag ma-rebook. First night in Taiwan. 7-Eleven na kami, ma. 7-Eleven pero Taiwan. What is that? Kinalas. Ano, balot? Stinky balot. Balot ng Taiwan.